So hello guys, you can make this cool watch in 5 to 10 minutes. So let's start the video. So this is the components required to make this cool watch. Do this connection with this circuit diagram and our connection look like this. ESP send the request to NTP server to send the data of time and date via Wi-Fi or internet. Add the NodeMCU boards to Arduino IDE software. I can paste this link in description. Check it below. This is the code for our project. Check the LCD code, then enter your Wi-Fi name and password. If appear the error like this, install this library. Here's once again this error happened. Then we install this library in Arduino IDE software. Install successfully. Then upload the code. If the pixels doesn't appear clearly, adjust the potentiometer on I2C module with screwdriver. Then the appearance of pixels can increase. If you like this project, hit subscribe and like button. Enjoy the cinematics.